Hello, good morning everyone. Alam niyo po ba yung cellphone niyo could be your money-making machine? Kasi pansin mo ba marami pong mga tao na gumagamit ng cellphone but not earning. Okay? Kasi pansin mo ba gumagamit sila ng Facebook, TikTok, and everything pero wala silang kinikita. At isa ka rin ba sa lagi lang nagpe-Facebook Reels at hindi ka pa din naman kumikita sa Reels? So we have here affiliate marketing in Live Good, a subscription business that pays na pwede nyong tingnan. Okay? And if you are an employee, OFW, or working mom ka man or nasa bahay ka lang as a mommy, pwede mo rin tong gawin. We have here, name it, lahat nandito na, empleyado, mga nasa gobyerno. At the same time, marami tayong mga OFWs na doing this business part-time gamit lang ng kanilang cellphone. And to know more about Live Good Company, alam niyo po ba si Live Good is open over 200 plus countries. Iisa lang po yan dito sa Philippines. Okay, Live Good Company is based in USA. Okay, so nasa USA po yung company natin. And alam mo ba, familiar ka ba sa dropshipping or familiar ka ba sa Shopee at Lazada na lagi kang nagsha-shopping? Nagsha-shopping ka through online. Okay, so meron po tayong ganyan. Okay, once you join the company, before ka pala mag-join sa company natin, pwede